Mama África, a minha mãe é mãe solteira que tem que fazer mamadeira todo dia, além de trabalhar como empacotadeira nas casas Bahia. Mama África tem tanto que fazer, além de cuidar neném.
Hello Cajon players, I hope you are doing great. I'm back here with the second Brazilian tutorial, this time with a groove that is a mix of different Brazilian styles. You can hear a bit of reggae and also a bit of forró or Xote style in this groove. Let's say that is a Brazilian reggae groove.
Mama África, a minha mãe é mãe solteira que tem que fazer mamadeira.
The song we are playing here is called Mama África, and it was written by a great Brazilian artist called Chico César. In this tutorial you are going to learn first the pattern slow, and then when you feel comfortable you learn the pattern, you are going to jam with us, with me and my friend Andrei. I suggest that you download the notation available for free in the description below. So back to my Brazilian studio, my tropical studio, let's learn the groove. Let's start slow, you and me at 50 BPM. If it's too fast for you, stop the video and download the notation and learn it slow beat by beat. If you're ready, let's go to it 50 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
If you feel comfortable with the groove, you think you learn the pattern and can play it faster than 50 BPM, let's try it faster, 70 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I suppose that you have integrated the pattern and now can play it at 70 BPM. If yes, now it's time to have fun. You are going to jam with us. Listen to the music and follow the groove. Let's go!
Let me sing a while. 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 Mama África, a minha mãe é mãe solteira que tem que fazer mamadeira todo dia, além de trabalhar como empacotadeira nas casas Bahia. Mama África tem tanto que fazer, além de cuidar neném, além de fazer dengue. Filhinho tem que entender, Mama África vai e vem, mas não se afasta de você. Mama África, a minha mãe é mãe solteira que tem que fazer mamadeira.
There you go, I hope you like this Brazilian tutorial. You can get this and all my free PDF downloads in the free area at cajonmassa.com. Link below. And if you watch these and other videos on the channel and decide to start learning the cajon, you want to start playing the cajon, you can sign up now for my free cajon crash course. Link in the description below. Now I need a favor from you. Click the thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.
Todo dia, além de trabalhar com muita cortadeira nas casas Bahia, deve ser legal. Senegão no Senegal, deve ser legal. Senegão no Senegal, deve ser legal. Senegão no Senegal, deve ser legal. Senegão no Senegal.